So here's an interesting intersection with 3 directions, kind of. Basically, the direction going this way and this way have the green, as you can see, and soon I believe they will turn red like that, and then we'll get the green. Yep. That's pretty cool. And then after that, it turns yellow, and the other 2 directions get the green again. It's kind of like, it kind of feels like a displaced left turn lane, but like, not like the modern kind. It's just like displaced for this direction, or something like that. And they have to have an all red clearance here, because of how big the intersection is. There we go. Yeah, that's it.